Global Industrial Compact Automatic Floor Scrubbers provide ergonomic floor maintenance for commercial properties, sports facilities, schools, gymnasiums, and other industrial settings. The spring-loaded rotational squeegee assembly ensures the squeegee is always in the correct position to collect water, allowing for continuous water removal while cleaning either forwards or backwards. Simply tilt the handle to raise the front of the scrubber. The spring-loaded squeegee will engage, and the machine can be walked back to scrub in reverse mode. This unique scrubber allows operators to quickly clean hard-to-reach spaces that other floor machines simply can't reach. Clean corners and under furniture with ease, without leaving pools of water behind. A core product for mobile cleaning crews, its small housing and 66-pound weight allow the machine to be easily transportable. This small but mighty scrubber has a coverage rate of 5,240 square feet per hour. Molded plastic handle adjusts to operator height and folds for transport or storage. The scrubber has a 13-inch wide cleaning path for greater coverage in less time. The spring-loaded rotational cast aluminum squeegee assembly is 17 inches wide. 4-gallon polyethylene recovery and 2.6-gallon solution tanks are corrosion and impact resistant. The pad assist feature helps pull the machine forward by the friction of the scrub deck pad against the floor, applying 66 pounds of pad pressure. Our compact automatic floor scrubbers are available in 2 styles. Model 641752 is the electric corded model that includes a 75-foot safety yellow power cord and GFCI reset plug. Model 641751 is our cordless rechargeable battery scrubber with 2 12-volt, 36-amp-hour batteries included for a runtime of 2.5 hours. The battery charger is integrated directly into the design of the machine, allowing you to power up and work efficiently without misplacing the charger. A set of squeegee blades and a pad driver are included with both corded and battery models. Scrub brushes and floor pads are sold separately. Global Industrial offers a full selection of floor pads, cleaning solutions, accessories, and replacement parts for both models. Learn more about our professional cleaning equipment online. Global Industrial, the source for industrial supplies.